How to download and install Microsoft Office for free in laptop. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Microsoft Store in your laptop. After you open it up, make sure to log into your Microsoft account. Now, once you're logged into your Microsoft account and you land in your home page, navigate to search bar at the top and then search for Office. After you search for it, scroll down a bit and there you will get Microsoft 365 Office as a free. So you can simply click on it, and after that there you will have an get option where I have opened since I have already installed it in my laptop. From there, click on get it. Now, depending upon your internet connection, it will take some time to get downloaded and installed in your device. Once this Microsoft 365 is downloaded, you can open it up, then log into your account. After that, you can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, and OneNote and Microsoft 365. So this is the way to download and install Microsoft 365 for free in laptop, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.